Mundeke ngamba omulunyankole ninyenda ku replyinga Tayebwa Tayebwa. Thomas Tayebwa Deputy Speaker wa Uganda. Honorable Muwanga Kivumbi yalugayo yiza afro ya parliament yagamba aha miliyoni igana ezimuliyoni mwegabera nk'ababaka ba parliament abo kulebya iteka ly'omwani. Thomas Tayebwa wayigayo wagira ngolo n'olugambo. Ebyo nebigambo tibiyikire. Thomas Tayebwa, I'm here to challenge you members of parliament, especially NRM members. Muze kukababirabira emikutu y'amahure eshohwize amahure ago from the parliament. Thomas Tayebwa tukwenda muza from parliament mutandika kusuruwaza abanya-Uganda. Thomas Tayebwa, we are not fools. We want you. We are setting a challenge here, Thomas Tayebwa. Don't fool us, please. Wargoyo wagira ngoro no rugambo ngimo timukubimanya. Well and good. Amahure ga Daily Monitor gakozire ihureryo. Amahure ga NBS gakozire ihureryo. Amahure papura za mahure zona zikozira amahure ago. Abanyamahure radio bagambira amahure ago. Abanyamahure around Uganda bagambira amahure ago. We want you to come out and take them to court to spread rumors on you members of parliament. But don't fool Ugandans. Tayebwa tukwenda musuruwa z'abanya-Uganda. You people, you are thieves. You people, you are thieves. Members of parliament of Uganda, you are thieves. You are devil. You are thieves, you are devils. Tayebwa tukwenda musuruwa ze. Mwani mureba ngo babagambire hebishuba. Ngo kibagambire timazima. Ngo amahuru ago nago rugambo. Nitwenda murugayo mutware mikutu y'amahuru mu koti mubavunane kugira ngo babatire hamahuru gekishwa. Thomas Tayebwa, this message goes directly to you. Thomas Tayebwa na ba member ba NRM, especially Western Uganda. Imwe ba member ba parliament abakurugo mu Western Uganda. You people, don't fool Ugandans. Ni muzafro ya parliament mutandika kwegambisa busha. You are now defending yourselves because this really hurts you. Chini chibarya. Chichombwenu chabarebesa international, you people. Don't try to fool Ugandans. Thomas Tayebwa, don't play on Ugandans. Don't play on mind of Ugandans, Thomas Tayebwa. We have watched you today on floor of parliament, deceiving the country on floor of parliament. We know you don't want these issues to be recorded on floor of parliament, and you are trying to defend yourselves about this. But Thomas Tayebwa, wanoreba ngwebye balioni bagamba nebishuba. All the medias who is making these issues balioni batambuza ebinyabushuba, balioni batambuza bishuba on member of parliament. We want you to come out as member of parliament, as an organization of parliament, to take these medias in court to challenge them. Because you know that it's true. Omuntu wena yana kugamba yechishuwa Thomas Tayebwa. Omwanya go kuboneza izina lyawe no mutwaro muhababira, so that you can get a fair play, you can get a hearing, you can clean yourself. If this is not true, Thomas Tayebwa, we want you as organization of parliament, as this organ, as a parliament, to go in court and challenge media houses on this. But we don't want you to fool Ugandans, Thomas Tayebwa. Titukwenda musuruwa z'abanya-Uganda. We know Western Uganda has 270 MPs. And you are the one, you are the right hand of General Kaguta Museveni, like on these stupid things like this. We know. Thomas Tayebwa, you know very well your constituency are struggling in some issues. You know very well that Western Uganda, they are suffering because of service delivery. But in parliament, we have 270 MPs from Western Uganda. But what have you done in your constituencies? Apart from stealing from them, apart from stealing from the poor people. You are here trying to clean yourselves, but you are full of dust. You are so dirty. You are so corrupt. You are devils. You people in parliament. So you are here trying to fool people. Those are rumors. We don't know about them. If it is rumors, Thomas Tayebwa, we want you to go in court and challenge media. Because the media has played rumors on you as member of parliament. Thomas Tayebwa, ahagenchi mwenda kusuruwa z'abanya Uganda. Do you really think that your people in your constituency, people have good service delivery? Do you really want to convince Ugandans that people in Western Uganda, where you are coming from, like 270 MPs, people there are in good situation? They have good service delivery. We are seeing people carrying sick people on heads. They don't even have ambulances. They don't even have loads. But you are here trying to clean yourself. Yet you know that it's true. You take that money, 100 million Uganda shillings per MP. Thomas Tayebwa tukwenda msuruwa z'abantu, please. Thomas Tayebwa tukwenda msuruwa z'abanya Uganda, please. You know very well inside your heart that you took that money. You are corrupt, you people. We cannot trust you. You are just trying to clean the records on floor of parliament. But don't fool Ugandans. Iwe wanoreba ngo babakozireho rugambo, wanoreba ngo babakozireho ebishuba ngo eze sente timuzitwire. Murujeyo mzo mkoti muvunana abanyamahurre abaresira amahurro ago a social media. Eze nshonga tiza social media. That money is our money, our taxpayers money. Thomas Tayebwa, eze sente nez'abanya Uganda eziba kubahereza mubakorere services ni musharaho muzegabira mutandika kuzirya eating, enjoying. You have a budget of billions in your office as a deputy speaker. You have a budget of money as an MP, and now you are rewarding yourself to pass stupidity laws on Ugandans, Thomas Tayebwa. But you are there trying to mingle, to fool Ugandans. To fool Ugandans, to Tayebwa, titukaenda mtusuruwaze you people. Tayebwa tukwenda tusuruwaze you people, titukwenda mtusuruwaze. Mweze sente, nebishuba, ngumanyani batubehera, bani bababehera, nituenda Tayebwa mkwato muhanda mzo mkoti, constitution ya parliament, nituenda institution ya parliament, eze kuhababira abanyamahurre, kubakora ho rugambo. That's when we are going to know that they are lying. But don't fool Ugandans. Thomas Tayebwa.